हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखेंगे एनएक्स कैड के ट्यूटोरियल्स। एनएक्स कैड के ट्यूटोरियल्स में फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो है हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन टू यूनिग्राफिक्स एनएक्स। एनएक्स इज नॉर्मली नोन एज यूनिग्राफिक्स. It is a high-end software owned by Siemens since 2007, and which is a high-end software means it is an advanced level CAD, CAM, and CA software. Unigraphics is the one of the world's most advanced and integrated CAD products developing the program. NX offer a huge value for engineering companies of all sizes. It simplifies the design of complex product and speed up its product launch. NX CAD designing and modeling software integrates principle based on the industrial designing, geometry, modeling, advanced analysis, graphical simulation, and simulates design capabilities. The software has effective hybrid modeling capabilities by integrating future model based on constraints and clear geometric modeling. Unigraphic is used among the other tasks for designing, engineering analysis, manufacturing, finish, design by using included machining models. What is the NX user interface? NX graphical user interface is the mainly where open the NX. So the gateway also has a started toolbar that will allow you to create a new files, open an existing files. On the left side of the gateway screen, there is a toolbar called resource bar that has menu related to different modules and the ability to define and changes the role of the software, view history of the software use, and so on. This is the gateway of user interface of NXCAD. This is the ribbon area where new files, open files available. This is the history and side में यहाँ पे हमें resource bars available हो जाएगा. Next, how to open a new file. Let's begin learning how to open a new file. To create a new file, there are options. First, click on New button on top of the screen or go through the File drop-down menu at the top left of the screen and click Now. Second, how to open a part file. There are several ways to open an existing file. Click on the Open or Open a Recent Part button on top of the screen, or go through the File drop-down menu at the top left of the screen and click the Open, like that. Next, how to save part file. It is compulsory that you save your work frequently. If for some reasons NX shut down and the part is not saved, all the work will be lost. To save the part file, go through the click file and then save this file. File drop down, click for file. In this drop down, save, click on save, click here and save a or save as window we are used.